it do what it ain't, y'all. This girl such a craziness. I'm coming to you, and you with another word on the street segment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So Jeannie Mai is telling the judge, or I should say asking the judge, can they not enforce the prenup that she had established with Jeezy? Now I think they signed the prenup like the day before they were walking down that aisle, and I'm like, you didn't try to look over this and be like, hold up. I am not walking down that aisle until I read every bit or get my lawyer to read every bit of information that is on this prenup. Do you hear me?
Petition states that they were married on March 27th of 2021. However, they signed their prenuptial agreement on March 26th of 2021. So if you've been following me, you know that I do not recommend people to file or sign a prenup so close to the day of their wedding day or so close to the day that they get married, because you could challenge it for enforceability, saying that you signed it under duress.
This coming from a lawyer, y'all. So my thing, Jenny, to you is like, you didn't even want to like sit down, like really sit down and go over the paperwork with your lawyer, or have your lawyer look over it to make sure that it's good with you on your end. Things don't went left and you like, no, wait a minute, judge, come on, let me, I didn't really think this through type situation. But see, some stuff in that prenup you probably looked at now and was like, no, I ain't feeling that. So Jeannie Mai is saying that she may have overlooked or misunderstood certain aspects of the agreement before signing it before their wedding in March 2021, which was the day before their wedding. So the prenup plays a significant part in the legal proceedings of their 2-year marriage, as it will determine the division of them assets and that debt between them two, okay? But in court documents obtained by People, Jeannie contends that negotiations only occurred 5 days before they tied the knot. So you was just in love because you had you a little dark meat type of guy. She argues that she would have needed more time before signing the paperwork, as she mentioned several reasons to support her request to the judge. Well, you should have been thinking about that while you was handed the paperwork. Like, wait a minute. I'm in blissful land right now. Just can't wait to get married to you, boo boo. Nah. Because at the end of the day, like this happens, and you need to know what you're getting yourself into. So, she also contended that the compressed time frame subsequently left her and Jeezy with limited time to fully engage in comprehensive due diligence. No, baby, when I signed my life away, I need to know what the hell I'm signing. Yep, I sure do. I need to know what I am signing. She also mentions that the rapper allegedly failed to provide financial documents that thoroughly outline his assets and liabilities. So Jeezy, he a little hood nigga, so he was like, you ain't about to get none yet. Oh, child, okay. Let's get serious. So Jeannie Mai also mentioned that her and her team wanted enough time to thoroughly review the agreement if the judge did not deny Jeezy's motion to enforce it. But, they having this whole custody battle over their baby girl, Monaco. I think she like 1 now. She is so cute, so adorable. I just want to give her a big old hug. But it's making the divorce proceedings much more difficult. But when you put a child in the mix, or children, it's going to be like that, okay? So the court documents filed by the rapper in December accused his estranged wife of gatekeeping their child, as he requested clearly defining legal and custody rights. Jeannie Mai responded to the allegation and took the opportunity to express her distress over Monaco's safety, specifically regarding firearms. And like I said, so he gonna have all that weaponry around him, and she don't want that around the baby. And I understand, because kids be getting into any and everything when you ain't looking. Okay, so from TMZ, they're saying she expressed in her response filing that she had given Jeezy an extended period of time with their daughter. The 2 year old, oh, she's two now. Oh, okay. The 2 year old stays with her mom in Los Angeles. But she did mention feeling uneasy about their daughter being in an environment where firearms were present and accessible. Like I said, kids like to get into stuff. They don't care what it is. They just want to say, "Ooh, what is this?" And then stuff happens. So yeah, I can feel on that. She stressed wanting to make sure that trained caregivers are present when Monaco spends time with the dad. Damn, she can't just spend a long time with her dad. Okay. So she also claimed that there had been an incident in the past where firearms were left unsecured around baby Monaco. Are you serious, Jeezy? Yo, little girl. Yo, little girl around unsafeness. Are you serious? You're supposed to be her protector. Well, you know, God is first. But you supposed to follow up. Be her protector. Oh, I can't. Okay, so it is essential to clarify that Miss Jenkins insists on not responsible, reasonable. Well, hell, you need responsible too. Safety measures being put in place, such as safely securing and locking away all firearms that have been unsecured in the past, as well as having familiar and properly trained caregivers, is absolutely not gatekeeping, but rather a responsible effort to prioritize their daughter's well-being. Well, that's what you're supposed to be as a parent anyway. You got to make sure your kid is safe at all times. Okay? But that was a concern for Jeannie Mai when it came to this. Now, my thing is that this is where it goes to show reading is fundamental. Okay, you gotta take time and read documents and all that. Yeah, we don't want to read that fine print, and especially when buying a house and stuff like that. But you gotta read it. Have somebody else that has the capacity and the patience to read it for you, like your lawyer and stuff that knows, the lawyer talk. Okay. But anyways, y'all tell me what y'all think about this in the comment section below, and your girl will see you on the next one.